shit. It looks like you're gonna have to pull out a little bit before you start hitting it right. It's kind of sludgy right there, though.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's just.
Yeah, I mean it.
This is. I don't want to drop right into nasty shit.
Yeah.
So I'll just reorient a little, come in a wider angle, and then kind of concentrate.
There you go. You got it. Oh shit.
Fucking slick.
Yeah, it is. This is difficult.
Shit. Back out of this. When I'm hitting that, does it look like if I really hit it hard, anything bad's gonna happen?
Um,
You can see that.
I mean, I wouldn't hit too hard, man.
Come in at that angle. You just gotta pop it up. That's all there is to it.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. It's better to pop it up there than it is to pop it up here.
It looks like your tire was right there. That's right there.
Yeah.
I think you're clear.
Dude, that looked like a pain in the ass just getting to where you're at right now. Hmm? It's what?
That shit's tough.
I know, dude. I'm kind of worried about it. Fuck, look how muddy his tire is, dude.
Almost up.
It's gonna be tough to get that up, man. Yeah, this is pain. Look at all that mud on your back your back tire.
Yeah, I see it. Let's back up to that tree. Go right back up where I came.
Okay.
I really can't do anything else.
Actually, you know what? That may have been what these guys did.
That's exactly what these guys did. Now that I look at the rubber.
Yeah. That's exactly what they did.
If it wasn't all wet, I've done this before.
Yeah. I know, this mud is killing it, dude.